Hey everyone, Shraddha here. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to cancel your subscription from any tool or any platform. I'll tell you two ways. First would be how to cancel it from the say payment mode, or if you have chosen the Google Pay, GPay, or if you have chosen net banking, then how to cancel it from that medium of transaction. And I'll also tell you how to cancel it from the platform itself. Right now I'm going to take an example of OpenAI, that is ChatGPT. So yesterday I took subscription for OpenAI. It was a get offer kind of option was there, so it was freemium for me. It is free for me, just that they have set auto pay of around 1999 rupees, that is 1999 rupees. Firstly, I'm going to tell you how to do it from your Google Pay, because I took that subscription from Google Pay. You can see this money option is there. Just click on money. Now you can see first option in transaction history. First is OpenAI LLC, or you can just also go to your home, click on see all transaction, and there whatever transaction, suppose if you have paid to LinkedIn, then LinkedIn option will be there. If I have paid to OpenAI, you can see this first option is there, OpenAI LLC is there. Or if you have paid to Canva or any other tool platform, okay, so you will be able to see it in your transaction history. Just tap there. Now bottom side you can see cancel autopay. You can see this, they have deducted 1 rupees, but now you can read this right here, autopay limit that is up to 1999. So if I won't cancel it right now, on say next month, that is first on I think 2nd of June, they will deduct this amount if I won't cancel this autopay. So bottom side you can see cancel autopay. Just tap there, and here you need to click on yes, cancel. You need to put your pin, and then you need to just cancel it. One option is this, I'm not canceling it right now, so that I can also tell you through platform itself, that is from ChatGPT also, for how to find the option, how to cancel it. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my laptop. Will cover a video from there, and just stay tuned. And now you can see this here, okay, through my laptop. So hey guys, I am now on my laptop. You can see this right here. I'm going to, what I need to do, you can see my ChatGPT is right there. Okay, now you can see this, whichever account is it is, be it LinkedIn or be it Canva. What you need to do, you need to look for your profile photo. You can see this. So for LinkedIn it would be different. For Canva you can just tap onto your profile photo. And right now I'm talking about ChatGPT. Okay, you can see this right here. Click on your name, that is scale up. Now you can see setting option is there. Get into settings, then you need to look for accounts. Okay, you need to look for accounts. Okay, account is right there. Click on account. Now you can see this manage is right there. Okay, tap on manage. You can see this upgrade plan, and then cancel subscription. I didn't cancel it from my Google Pay. I could have done it, but I needed to show you cancel subscription. Okay, you need to just tap there. Now you can see switch to ChatGPT only. Okay, no thanks. Just click on cancel subscription. You can see this will end on June 1st, 2026. So if I won't cancel this, they will deduct 1999 rupees from my account without my consent. Okay, so this time, because I have already set auto pay, that is it will deduct, it will be deducting automatically. They won't ask for your OTP. Okay, now you can see your plan will be cancelled on June 2nd, 2026. That is till June it would be premium, but after 2nd of like from 2nd of June, it will be a normal account for me. So this is the right way to cancel subscription. See, difference between canceling a subscription or requesting a refund. These both are two different things. For requesting a refund, that is the amount that you have already paid for this amount, this month. You want that amount. Okay, it's like requested a refund or requesting a refund. You want your amount for this month that you have already paid, and then canceling a subscription will help you to prevent your auto pay deduction in coming month. That is, maybe if I won't cancel this subscription, they will deduct amount on June 2nd, 2026 without my consent. They will not ask me They will not ask for any OTP. They will just do it without my permission. Okay, if I won't cancel it, so it's canceling a subscription is all about coming month, that is next month, after 1 month. Within this 1 month period, the amount that you have paid is kind of, so you will get premium services from the amount you have paid. But if you want that amount that you have paid, then you need to ask for a refund. I hope I am clear. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Let me know whatever doubts you are having. Or if you want me to come with if you want me to cover a particular tool, platform, or any app, just let me know. I will be covering that too. So for LinkedIn, I'll create a separate video in order to tell you how to cancel it. So yeah, I hope this will help you guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, just keep on hyping for my videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.